Hi everybody, I'm going to teach you how to play Get Ready on my 1966 Gibson acoustic guitar, and this is a song I actually wrote for my wife, and it's called Get Ready. So there's two things happening with this song. I'm playing a lot of the bass, so just open chord here, and the song's in E, but I am playing half a step down in 4/30. So I'm going to play you the riff. Get ready, I'm coming home. So what I'm doing there, it's really a vamp just on the E, and I'm doing this chord, which is on the 4th fret, 4th string, and then the 3rd fret, 5th string, sorry. So you're just kind of sliding there. And then what I'm doing, kind of doing the A chord, and that's the 4th string and the 5th string on the 2nd fret, then going open. But throughout the process, I'm always playing the bass on the E string with my thumb. And then, so I'm just going to play it again. So this is just like, hit it twice on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Goes like this. Get ready, I'm coming home. And the second part, not too complicated. It's a D and then an A chord, but what I'm doing, I'm kind of doing the bass line on the acoustic guitar. So I'm starting off here on the 5th fret, 2nd chord, 2nd string, I should say. So it's a walk up. So 2nd fret, always on the 1st string, go up to the 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So. So then I'm going to the 2nd string, and still just kind of the walk up, doing the bass line. Shoe fly. So 4th fret, 2nd string. There we go. It's my dog. And he didn't clip the camera this time. Yay! So just walking up on that 2nd string, starting from the 4th fret. So it goes like this. Get ready, I'm coming home. Get ready, mama, I'm coming home. So have fun with that one, guys. Cheers.